Namaste. Sattva is a part of us. It's in us. You could say it's at the deepest part of our heart. There's sattva. And so we always think about, well, how can I have more sattva in my life? Yeah? And it is. It's what we do. It's what we eat. It's what we think about. It's everything. So, sometimes we can look at the weather and say, the weather is more sattvic today. It has that feeling. So look for things that bring that feeling to you, and go with more of that. That'll bring more sattva into your life. Again, your food, the activities you choose, what you choose to be exposed to, what you read, think about, look at, it all makes a difference. Till next time.